Hi, I'm William from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your SnugFit 35 using the lower anchors. To start our installation, we're going to unhook the anchors from the base and make sure that the strap is as long as it'll go. When you attach the hook to your car, make sure that the fat part is facing up. Then, with the base flat on the vehicle seat, slide it back until the anti-rebound bar touches the seat back. Check the level indicator to make sure that the seat is level, and if it's not, adjust the recline. To tighten, I'm going to pull the strap back up through the belt path while I'm pushing the base down and into the vehicle seat. To check to make sure that the base is properly tightened, move the base side to side and front to back. If it moves less than an inch where the strap crosses the base, it's a good installation. After you put your baby in the car seat, you want to check to make sure that the shoulder belts are at or just below his shoulders. Then you can secure the buckles. I like to secure the chest clip at this time. Now you can tighten the harness. Always make sure that the chest clip is at armpit level and you can't pinch any material on the harnesses. That's how you know that it's snug. Now you can click the carrier into the base. Always lift up on the carrier to make sure that it's secure, and double check your level indicator to make sure that the seat is still level. Now you're ready to go.